What's up, everybody? It's Josh over here at Fox CCR. We have got the door handle installed. These are Kindig-it smooth door handles, and the installation went pretty smooth. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how it works. Works pretty simple. Press here, grab here, it unlatches. Let's go. So you see, no door handle. Smooth, it's flush with the panel. Very nice. So yep, that's it. We got them in. We're going to do the installation video on the other side. So if you want to stay tuned for that, just like and share us, and it should be posted maybe sometime next week. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. If you like this video, share and like it. Catch y'all later.